Hi everybody. In this video, we attempt to answer a common question about inverse proportion in maths. So let's use this example here to illustrate. Say we have a variable y which is inversely proportional to the square of x. And when x doubles, what is the change in this variable y? So first, let's try to establish the relation between y and x. So we can write y equals to k over x squared. Then next, I'll try to define a few variables to make answering this question a bit easier. So first we have x1, which is our original value of x. And we have y1, which is the original value of y. And we have x2, which is the new value of x. And this value of x is actually the value when x doubles. So therefore, this x2 is actually 200% of x1. And then we have y2, which is our new value of y. And this is the value of y that we are trying to find in this question. So next, let me write down this expression y2 over y1. Okay. And this is equals to, okay, for the numerator, it will be k over x2 squared. And for the denominator, it will be k over x1 squared. Because on the right here is a complicated fraction, okay, let me simplify it by doing this. So y2 over y1, therefore we can write it as k over x2 squared, which is the numerator here, okay, divide by the previous denominator, which is k over x1 squared. And then next, I'm going to replace the divide with times. So k over x2 squared, okay, times, okay, if there's a times here, then this fraction will be, we need to flip the numerator and denominator around. So therefore, here we will get x1 squared over k. Then now there's a common denominator k, common factor k in both the numerator and denominator. So therefore, we can cancel this off. And this simplifies into y2 over y1 equals to x1 squared over x2 squared. And then I'm going to write this y2 over y1 equals to bracket x1 over x2 bracket squared. And I call this equation 1. Okay, next I will try to write the relation between x2 and x1. So x2 is 2 times of x1. And then I'm going to bring the 2 to the left. So x2 over 2 equals to x1. Okay. And then I'm going to bring the x2 to the right. So, okay, let's write here. So half equals to x1 over x2. And I call this equation 2. Okay, the reason why I'm trying to do this is because, okay, I want to get the value of this expression x1 over x2. Okay, as you can see in equation 1, there's also the same expression x1 over x2. So therefore, by doing this, I can subsequently replace this x1 over x2 in equation 1 with the value of half. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to substitute equation 2 to equation 1. So therefore, I'll get y2 over y1 equals to bracket half squared. And then we will simplify this to y2 over y1 equals to 1/4. And I'm going to bring the y1 over. So y2 equals to 1/4 y1. Okay. So what this means here is that the new value of y, okay, is 1/4 or 25%, okay, of the original value. So what this means is that there's a decrease in 75%, okay, of the value of y. So therefore, this is actually the answer to this question, a decrease in 75% of the value of y. If you find this video helpful, do consider liking and sharing this video, and do consider subscribing to this channel. And drop me a comment to let me know what other content you'd like to see in this channel. See you in the next video.